vlogmas day 24. I think I'm accurate with this. This is gonna be vlogmas day 24. So we took advantage of Red Friday sales. In fact, it's not Black Friday sales, because Red Friday sales, your eye will see when. So, and then you guys, if you watch vlogmas day 20, is it 20 or 19? I told you guys of how my husband went to go and fix the television, and in turn he was duped fixing the television and all. That was not all that happened. My car is still not back, because from fixing the battery, they said alternator, from alternator to this to that to that. It's just been so many things fixing back and forth. And then the washing machine now finally packed up. The washing machine now finally packed up. You guys, the expenses this December has been so crazy. The washing machine now finally packed up. How are we going to do it? We literally wash every 2 days in this house, because you know that we have small children. In fact, it's not even good to keep children's clothes just keeping and keeping. So we usually wash with the white, right? I hand wash the white, like my children's white, I hand wash it, but the other ones I throw it in the washing machine. So we have to take advantage of their sales, which is not really sales. But I've just realized that most of these other new products are also very good products, right? There's my vlog where we were cooking. I showed you guys, my husband came in with the washing machine, and I was just hailing him and all, because I just told myself that this freezer that we bought, like this Aeon freezer that we bought, the way it's freezing, the way it's working, how good it is and all, just told my husband that if he wants to buy a washing machine, he shouldn't go for names. Like, you should just look at and also look for recommendation and different things if the product is good. You guys, look at this. This is Nexus. This is 10 kg. This is 10 kg, and yeah, brand new. Hopefully I'm gonna unbox it with you guys together as the vlog goes on. But he got this for, I think, 170 something thousand. I will put that on the screen, but 170 something thousand. That's how much he got this. And this is 10 kg washing machine. This will serve us, honestly. It will serve us, it will wash, it will spin. But you guys, tomorrow is Onyi Perenzi's birthday, and I'm gonna blow her balloons. But let me show you guys what I've done for her. Santa Bomsy, you guys, this is the gift for Onyi Perenzi, and I'm also going to do balloons for her, which would write Mama Ejima. Yeah, happy birthday, Mama Ejima. But we're going to be heading to our house tomorrow. But yeah, I don't know if you guys want to see what is inside this one, but let me show you guys. Let me just give you guys a snippet of what is inside this one. That's Onyi's twins. Oh! You guys have never seen them before, but that's Onyi's twins. They were born on my birthday, 25th September 2023. Grow in God's love. That's Onyi's twins. Her. So I know she's going to be, well, I'll capture her reaction when I come to her. She's not gonna be expecting it. She's not gonna be expecting it, but yeah, tomorrow is the birthday. Hopefully, let me get on other things that I have to do today, and then I'll see you guys. Morning guys, you guys, good morning. I slept 2 a.m. last night because of, I just had to come up with these balloons. Like, I just had to. This is for Mama Ejima, and this is for another client. Oh, let me not rip it off. This is for another client. Happy birthday, you guys. Yeah, see, for the past 3 days consecutively, there's not been light, so we'll be using inverter. We'll be using the inverter. The inverter will run low. We'll use the gen to charge it. So yesterday, you see the way I was sweating and doing all of these things, I was so irritated. Plus, you guys know that, okay, you guys don't know, so I don't know if I mentioned this on my channel, because I've been trying to relate back to my channel, so I don't know if I mentioned this on my channel. I also create hampers as well this Christmas season. So this hamper, kind of put off the light, put off the light, put off the light. This hamper is going for a client, and this hamper is a 50,000 naira hamper. Let me bring it close. So this hamper, yeah, so that hamper is going for a client, and the other balloons as well is going for a client. She wants to gift a friend of hers a Christmas, what they call it, like Christmas gift, and then birthday gift as well. So the hamper and then the balloons as well, and then the other one is for oil paparazzi. You guys, I'm just thankful for my class, because I was not constrained to learning just one thing. You can remember when we were learning how to create these boxes from the Bobo balloons. We use Bobo balloons to create like these birthday gift boxes and all. But why I actually picked up this camera this morning is to tell you guys that for those of us that are in Nigeria, you know that fake things have been, like, they've been clamping people down that have been selling fake beverages, fake everything. And the one that just got me really, like, I'm like, Jesus, they started sesame seed and dark soy sauce. A lot of fake has saturated the market. When I mean a lot of fake has saturated the market. So it's meant to be amoy, and it just had to make me go back and check like the sesame seed and the what they call it, like dark soy sauce that I recently bought. You guys, the original name is AMOY, which is amoy. You guys, I have amoy C in my house. Hold on, let me show you. You guys, so I just realized that the sesame oil and in fact the new one that I bought, and I bought this one, I didn't buy them in the market, so I actually bought it off a store. In fact, off a big mall, off a big reputable mall. You guys, this, see, I have amoys here with me. I have amoys here with me. In fact, I've been using from these things to cook for my children, but what it concern me, if they did not bring it to my knowledge, I would have still been using it, and God would have still kept protecting us and saving us. These ones I have not opened. This one is even the worst. This one is a zip look amoys. When I posted this thing, somebody said, "Bless my own, get vitamin C." The person said, "Bless my own, get vitamin C." And this is light soy sauce, because I buy dark soy sauce and I buy light sauce as well. This is God. When I was packing things, when I was buying things, I was packing provisions, I was packing different things. When I travel, my mom was there laughing at me, but people were discussing. She was saying, "Hey, if she knows, she too, she for pack plenty things, so come." Because I just don't know why NAFDAC will not regulate all of these things. Like, you guys, it's just, so see this one. This one is the same thing. Amoisi. That is the ones I have in my house. This is over 4 bottles that are not even the original thing that I bought. But fingers crossed, I have used it. Nothing has happened to us. I have been using it. If they've not brought it to our notice, but let me know in the comment section as well. You guys, I'm just speaking to those of us that are in Nigeria. I know that my diaspora, what they call it, subscribers, they will not be able to relate to what I'm talking about, but this has been going on. A lot of fake Coke, a lot of fake Fanta, Sprite, beverages, different things have now saturated the market. And I will not say that this is what they call it. Will I really say that this is hunger or poverty? I will not really say that this is hunger or poverty. I will just say that this is like sheer wickedness. You don't mind killing people just to make profit and just to make gain, just to survive. In fact, when I go online and I see the places that these people make these wines, beverages for. Oh my god, dirty looking surroundings. Like this I just told me that, you see, when I go to the market most times and I'm so thirsty, I usually buy water. Like I usually buy water, but sometimes I'll look at the cover, I'm like, is this really ever water? Like I'll be asked, is this really ever water? The way how the bottle is so rusted, the cover is so, like, you know that it's something that has been used and maybe they picked it from the dustbin and just sealed it up again, because it's not hard to seal all of these things up. There are machines to seal all of these things up. But you guys, please shine your eye out there, shine your eye. Now even makes me wonder, because I bought this off the mall. I did not buy this from what they call it, I did not buy this from the market. I actually bought this off a reputable mall. So now makes me wonder, like, is everybody now selling fake things? Like, is everybody now genuinely now selling like fake things? And no, you guys, please just be careful out there, to be very honest with you. Be really, I can't believe that from the soy sauce that I have down to the sesame oil is not even the original one, and I have been using it, and my family, we have been using it and enjoying it. It's God that protects, to be very honest with you. Now God really protects people. You guys, please just be careful out there. Always check the things that you're buying before you purchase them. Please check them very well, you know, check them. In fact, I even saw someone sent it to me that, in fact, mayonnaise company, they have Boma mayonnaise company. It's supposed to be Bama, but they have Boma mayonnaise company. You guys, I think my friend is here. Oh, the light reflection. Yeah, I think my friend is here. She came to drop food for me. I think I do. Cha-cha-li coco. I did do video now. I did do video. I tell my people about the fake products that are in the market these days. You guys, I told you. Oh, my friend brought food for me. You guys, get your friends that take care of you. As much as I take care of people, I could see it in my video where I cooked for my sister and all. You guys, when I say, oh, get friends like Boma, this one, that, you guys, I have amazing people around me. They take care of me as much as how I take care of them as well. But you guys, let me get on with other things. Tomorrow is on his birthday. I will finish up with all I have to do for today, and then before we head to her place tomorrow. And yeah, let's just get on with my day. Woo! A plate of rice. We're planning on going to the beach with the children, myself and my sister. We're planning on going to the beach on Sunday as well. We're going to go for buffet. In fact, but we're checking. Lagos is clogged, as in a lot of people came into Lagos this Christmas. If you see traffic, it is terrible. But anyways, let me just get on with my... What's up, guys? You guys, myself and my husband, we're heading to Onyi Peperenzi, their house. Today is her birthday, but she's not doing anything. But of course, she'll book, what they call it, there's food, there's drinks, and then the gifts are behind. The balloon is also behind as well. You guys, Amber and royalty, they started sleeping, so there was no point carrying them, since we're not going to spend a lot of time, because Anyi said her husband is taking her out later in the evening. So from there, we'll quickly just go, and my husband wants to barb his hair, because tomorrow we want to take our photo shoot. So my husband wants to barb his hair, and then, what they call it, I think do pedicure or something. I might just join body, or if not, I'll go back home. There's one interesting movie that I have been saying on Prime TV. In fact, we have been saying on Prime TV, which is Breath of Life. It's so interesting. I recommend, like, I highly recommend. But anyways, let's go and, you know, marry and celebrate with Oni. Let's go. You guys, we are here. I've eaten the pie. What did I say, you guys? I've eaten. I'm fed up even. I've eaten and eaten. Guys, I'm back home. Oh, I couldn't follow my husband because he was saying let's go and do pedicure and all. I told her she just dropped me at home. Let me rest. I want to sleep. And thankfully, I came back home and the children are asleep. So I'll just take off my wig. But let me do that now. Woo! I'll take off my wig. You guys, this is Vlogmas Day 24. Anticipate Vlogmas Day 25, which is, yeah, Christmas Day apparently. You guys, it has been countdown to Christmas, and I have uploaded since the 1st of December up to like Vlogmas Day 25, because Vlogmas Day 25 is already even settled, right? So I have uploaded till this very time. You guys, let me know in the comment section if you really enjoyed watching my Vlogmas series. You guys also let me know. I tried as much as possible not to just put anything in my video because I wanted to do Vlogmas. I'll just, you know, I might be talking in Biglish for like 10 minutes and just upload it. I wanted to make it, you know, fill it up with so much value, a lot of things for you guys to learn from, to make it entertaining for you guys and all. Please let me know. Tell me which Vlogmas was your favorite Vlogmas. Tell me which Vlogmas day was your favorite Vlogmas. Let me know in the comment section. Did you enjoy it? You know, did it meet up to your expectation? I would really like to know. And you guys, thank you guys for all the love. Thank you guys. But I had people even dragging, I'm the first today, I'm the first, I'm the first, I'm the second, I'm the first, I'm the first. First to watch, first to be here, first to be this one. But you guys, thank you guys so much for all the love, and I definitely will see you on Christmas Day. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas with me as much as, you know, I enjoyed doing the Vlogmas for you guys. I hope you guys also enjoyed it as well. Tell me your favorite Vlogmas in the comment section, and if you're new to this channel, also tell me, you know, if you joined during this Vlogmas and what you enjoyed most about the Vlogmas. I'll see you guys definitely tomorrow. Bye guys.